Hey everybody, we're back, and today we are checking out VideoMagic. This one is supposed to generate video ads for your company, kind of for a few different things. So let's jump over to their website real quick. Looks like you can do e-commerce based ones, real estate. Looks pretty good. Music, that looks okay. Now, I have a few concerns with this one already. It piqued my interest just enough to probably go ahead and give it a try. First of all, there are two different limits on these Ltds. There's the videos per month you're allowed to do, and then there's the credit system as well. For me, that's a double redundancy. I don't like that. Have one limit and one limit only. Don't add both. Like the video credit system would work just fine. Why would it matter if we do 15 credit or 15 videos per month if they're just all 50 credits each? What would it matter? You know, that's my thing. Price your stuff appropriately, you won't have that problem. I don't like their deal. It's not a good deal. We'll go over the deal completely here in a second, but first, let's check it out. So here it is on the back end when you log in. I went ahead and got the tier 1. They do give a free 250 credits. I think that's just for signing up, period. So you might be able to not buy this and go try it on their website with 250 credits. That should let you test out most things. We have 950 credits to work with. So over here you got single video, video stacks, templates, integrations, trash, referrals, contacts, and log out. And then you got your little thing down here. So let's go to single video, see what kind of shenanigans we can get in. Okay, so we got generate. Okay, so here's your templates. And they look good. These are kind of stuff you would use for ads, I feel like. Not necessarily social posts. These are more for ads. So maybe this would work for like Pinterest. So maybe you don't need a whole lot if that's the case, which is good because you don't get very much. Video stacks, let's check out what those are. E-commerce. Okay, so if you have a product link on Amazon, you can put it in here. All right, so let's pick a product. All right, so we'll do this one. We got a product. Let's put it in. Boom. Next, see what it's got. So we got the snapshot, the highlights, and the best sellers. Recommendation. These are very basic videos. They're nice, but they're basic. So you can select your style here. Okay, this one's good. All right, that one's pretty good. So this has a lot of pictures on it. This might be pretty good on that one. Can you do multiple? Oh. Okay, so you can do 1x1, 16x9, or 9x16, or all of them. I don't think I like the snapshot videos. These are basically just ads. So essentially what we're doing here is we're selecting a bunch of videos. So this is basically creating videos in bulk for this specific item. At least I'm pretty sure that's the idea here. And when you unselect these, it shows you what platforms they'd work on. See? So click that. We'll do 1x1. You can use basically everywhere apparently. Okay. And the 9x16, that's the long form going up. You can use TikTok, Snapchat, Insta, Pinterest, and Facebook. So let's figure out which ones we want. What style? Let's go to single, generate. Let's do a single review. And the video credits are down here. So the cheap ones are very basic. The problem is you only have so many exports for the videos, so you got to mix cheap ones with the long ones. Damn, okay, that's pretty good. All right, let's click I'm feeling lucky. We got 3 in the cooker. Now we got to do a more expensive one because we have a bunch of credits, but we can only do up to 7 per month. So we got that one. Let's do a bigger one here. Generate a video. They do not have a lot of templates after you really look at them. So on the highlights, they got 28, 29. So they have 29 under e-commerce. And we have 12 under the real estate. That's not a whole lot of templates. That's not very many at all, really. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so this one needs 6 images, 2 videos, and 2 reviews. Does this have videos? This doesn't have videos. So we got this one. Okay, we'll do one of each again, and then we'll check those out. Okay, so let's check out these other ones. This was the wine rack. I wonder if they're all going to be the same. They probably will. Okay, there's no way to edit. Okay, so we got the edit video here. We can download the thumbnail, download GIF, web link. So let's edit, see what we can do. So we got images. Okay, that's easy. Product info, the brand name, reviews. Oh, so you really don't need to select them all. Oh, oops. I think I just made more. I did not mean to make more. Okay. Now, delete. I just wasted a bunch of credits. Okay. All right. Let's go back in. Let's see if this did the same thing. Okay. This is essentially the exact same video. This is the exact same video, just a different aspect ratio. Okay, so you're basically getting the same video every time. So out of 6 videos, we've spent over half of our allotment for the month, but we're only allowed 7. So I wonder what happens when we hit that 7. We're going to find out today. Generate one more. Let's do a real estate listing. 13 images required. Let's go find a house on Zillow. All right, we found a $12 million house in Seattle, Washington. Yes, let's do this one. We're going to sell this house, damn it. Okay, that'll be our title, our video name. And we're going to do a YouTube video, just a YouTube video on this one. This right here would be a good one for a roundup review. We'll do it with this one again. Oh, we don't have enough credits. It's 225, or it's 235. We only have 230. Darn it. So we need a cheaper one. Let's do this one again. The same one. Fetch. Okay. Copy. Okay, these are still going. All right, so it integrates with MailChimp. It will be integrating with, looks like, Meta, X, and OpenAI. You can't create your own templates. We'll do one more. Hey, we got one ready. All right, let's play it. You ready? That wouldn't sell me, that's for sure. This one's not great. Let's try this one. This is just the other version of it. This template kind of sucks. This one's actually a little bit better. It doesn't cover up everything. By the way, $300 for a stupid ring that does nothing to track your stuff is ridiculous. Just go get an Apple Watch. It does the same thing. It's crazy. Okay, so this one failed. We had a video fail. Rerun that shit, bro. This one failed too. Rerun, man. All right, here's another one. Okay, that one sucked. Let's edit the video, change the reviews. I think that was the problem on that one. We had 2 that said love it. Like, come on. Select review. That's better. That's a good one there. I don't like the buy it one. Helps with sleeping habits. So it's $350 and requires a subscription? That's crazy. Golly. All right. What? You gotta, to do edits, you have to, no, that can't be true. Okay, come on. Wow. That's so sad, dude. So to do an edit, you have to rerun it and re-render it. Then why not give us the option to control it beforehand? Oh my God. So really, you're never going to get your full amount every time anyways. Assuming it doesn't fail, because this one keeps failing, but it keeps taking our credits for it. All right. I don't think I'm even going to wait for the other ones. I think I'm done. I think I've pretty much decided. The real estate one is the only one I'm waiting on at this point. I want to see how that turns out. But overall, I think I've pretty much decided. All right, looks like we got another one up. Let's try this one. Okay, that one was just okay. We're still waiting on the real estate one. That's really the only one I'm waiting on. I don't like that it charged us for the failed video, and even though we click rerun, it doesn't try it at all. It pulled in everything. I don't know, just didn't render properly. All right, it is finally done. This is the one I was waiting on. There's another one that's not done yet, and then there's one that's failed, but this is the real estate one. So let's see what we got. This is the original Zillow listing. 4 bedrooms, 6 baths, 7,000 square feet. Let's see if it's out accurate. Looks like it pulls it directly from the website. That's pretty good. That is a beautiful house. All right, so that's a great video. That was also the most expensive video. But yeah, it took forever to generate. I think we're done with VideoMagic. So let's go check out the plans. The first plan is the one I got. It is $69 for 7 videos per month. Kind of expensive, in my opinion. Plan 2 is 15 videos per month for 140, basically. Plan 3 is $300 for 40 videos per month, or 4,000 video credits. So the credit system is not very generous. The deals are not very generous. The templates there's not very many. There's what? I don't remember what the count was, but it was around 40. There's not a whole lot. My main complaint with them is when you generate it and you don't like it, or there's something you didn't like, you can't change anything without completely rerunning the export. So like if I wanted to change these reviews, which is easy to do, I just go click that one, boom, I click this, change, select review, perfect, done. It doesn't play it in the video unless I click next and then next, and oh, I have to re-render the video, which is going to charge me all over again. And on this particular video, that was like a 200 credit video. So that's potentially gets very expensive to make changes. That being said, when you go to generate a video, what is the cheapest video? Is there one for 25? There we go. So when you go to generate the video and you click over, fetch from whatever, we'll do this one again. You can actually click change video assets over here, and it's going to pull in the stuff, product info, and you can change this stuff beforehand. I can't test this. I didn't even see it till after I had already clicked everything. I always clicked I'm feeling lucky, but I would assume this would pull in the reviews, which you could then select the ones you want. So on the more expensive ones, you'd want to do that before doing the render. So be a way to avoid that. But the fact you can't make changes after you render is extremely annoying. They should really be rendering a low res copy that doesn't cost them a lot of money, and then having a final render process afterwards. You also cannot change the music, which is a huge problem. I don't like that at all. Definitely should be able to generate or change the music on these things. You should be able to change the speed on these things. You have zero actual control over these templates. And again, there aren't very many of them. So it is a very cool idea. It is very early in the infancy. I like it and I don't like it at the same time. I would give it a solid 4 stars. I think it is actually rated appropriately. I like how easy it is to use. I like that it can pull in all the data for you. This would be very valuable for real estate agents where you just make a video and you can advertise that. Honestly, just that real estate video alone that we created you could probably throw on YouTube and it would get some views just based off of how beautiful that house is. Now, I don't know that for sure. I'm not a real estate agent. I can't imagine it would lead to a lot of sales, but you know, you might get something. I don't know. Especially if you could like add stuff. That's something they need to change. Be able to add scenes at the end so that they can so we can customize things. That would add a lot of value to it, especially for the real estate agent side of it. So if you're a real estate agent, you'd actually want to put that information here. So let's go to edit. I wonder if that is changeable. Okay, so images. Okay, so you can change it. So here's your agency details. You can put your name in there. Jake Van. If I was a real estate agent, put in your logo here. There you go. Boom. That looks terrible, but you know, whatever. You can change stuff, house details. Now there needs to be like a place to put in your contact info in here, especially under agency details. So instead of putting the address here, you'd put the address and then maybe a phone number or something for the real estate agent. That would be very useful. I don't know, but yeah, that way they don't have to go searching for your information. It would be right in the video. Those are a couple little things that I would think would make it a lot better. I don't know. You got to be able to add something. There's not enough on the edit side of it. There's not enough currently. There's not enough templates. There's not enough control. So this is at best a 4 out of 5 tacos. It is a neat idea. It is not a good deal. It's a neat idea. It's not a good deal. It needs some improvements. It needs some customization. I like it. I want to keep it. I probably won't keep it. This is honestly probably my final review for VideoMagic unless they add a bunch of templates and I end up keeping it. But I don't see that happening. We'll see. I'm still kind of undecided on it, to be honest. But this is something that I would actually like to have in the future. It's just not, it's not to the point of where I would expect it to be. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.